Hey everyone, welcome back to Circuit Schools. I've got an exciting Arduino project for you, an Arduino-based complete home automation project. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to Circuit Schools for interesting DIY projects. With RFID tags, you can close and open the doors. It also has a manual password option to open and close the door with wrong password alarm rings. This is a calling bell with touch sensor. The light before the door is motion sensed 1. As you can see, we can control the fan, lights and change colors of the lights, and turn on and off the appliances with the IR remote. There is a rain sensor on the top. When rain comes, the balcony doors will be closed automatically. There is a garage gate which opens and closes by sensing objects. This is a push button for a light in the balcony. This smart home is equipped with gas and flame sensors with alarms. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome Arduino projects. You can also find the complete code and setup guide on my website, CircuitSchools.com.